I was telling someone about it's just like, it's hard to date up here. And they're like, why not sign up for Tinder? I'm like, Tinder? Like, yeah, it's useful. I'm like, you do realize Tinder revolves around looks and trying to find people who you want to bang, right? She's like, no, you can use it for dating. I'm like, really? So why is the app mostly revolved around looks? Like, I'm not sure I even, like, yeah, I look cool, I look pretty, but it's just like, I'm like, I don't want someone to just want me for my looks only, you know? I want them to be able to accept the fact that I like metal, I like video games, I like station cars, I like the desert, I like gymnastics, and I can do some pretty crazy stuff. I don't want like a simple bang. That's like STD Central. So I'm just like, screw Tinder. It can just set fire and be done with it.
I forgot to tell you that my girlfriend moved in to my house.
Oh,
I mean,
dear.
didn't she already move into
No,
her
she
house?
just came and slept over, but she actually moved her stuff into my house. You see my room right now? It has some really gothic.
Just don't come crying to us if it goes
Emo.
Jerry Springer all over again, because that was too crazy.
And Nyte's telling me I'm not emo. Pfft, your room is gothic. Okay.
Emo.
Goth and emo are two completely different things.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
they
But still, they survey the same message according to a lot of people.
Oh dear God!
No way. That's a tank with
Yeah.
pistols. Are you serious?
Charge!
I got pounds. Oh, thanks for taking a hit for me. Oh, never mind. Roast looking like a really good hit for me. Keys, however. Ghost is getting. Oh, what's going on? Like,
Getting massacred here.
They all start off calm and then.
help me!
He's dead.
All I'm saying is I just want a good freaking start. I want to get like punched multiple times with that damn tank.
Yeah, I saw you guys.
I swear to God, this tank spawns in again.
You
Please
are,
don't jinx it. 'Cause
you
it might
are
happen.
not
I'm
going.
not, I'm not.
You are
guys
not
have, like,
going to
spawn
restart
rates.
it if it does.
They know when to come out in terms of their percentage.
They know when to come out.
Hey, look, definition of a good start. No tank nearby. None of us get damaged.
That's-
a good start.
That's
my
pure.
point.
This is luck.
I mean, like, I try to. It doesn't seem like he doesn't want to do that. See, look.
Nah, he's not gonna pick it up now.
Yeah, the bots are really stupid on this map or something. That's why there was multiple fixes on this map, because the bots were retarded.
Connor.
Alright, I don't know where it is, but
Yeah, it's right over there.
coach is definitely shooting it.
Oh.
Shooting in the darkness. How the hell did coach? Alright, whatever.
Oh God.
I swear to God, all these doors are like locked to oblivion. Where the fuck are we now?
I'm gonna say we're not at the South Park area, are we?
No.
No.
I didn't see Cartman there.
Right?
Oh, okay. I just got it. I just got it.
Smiley faces everywhere! Humble plus one. Alright, anywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, you're serious. She's
Yeah, right.
We don't have the
I
equipment.
see it. I see her. I see her.
What?
Wait, what?
What?
You just like
Guys, help!
teleported.
Yeah, I teleported. Guys, help! Help!
What?
Oh,
Okay,
Okay.
oh, cool.
All I can
That
say
works,
is
okay.
be
Alright.
careful.
Where are we?
Great question. What's up?
Where should we put
Tank,
Malala
tank,
and
tank, tank,
and Luke
tank,
here?
tank.
I get like. Okay, cool. Sweat away. Yeah, just like circling that road.
Oh, watch your step here. Nearly just about fell in.
Yeah, oh yeah, over here. It's not a good thing. Where? Oh, he charged off the ledge. Cool. Alright.
Molotov.
Oh, you can just push the fuck. Fuck you, arrows.
Oh!
No!
Oh my God!
Coach just got saved by Coach is the most most blessed man alive. He almost got jockeyed, and the charger just saved his life somehow. I think it's very rare if we catch one of those. Like for example, Rose got fucking scared out of her.
Was a ghost of a witch appeared, and I literally screamed.
Yeah, I saw too.
Nyte had his ears blown off, and Deadpool was like, "What the?"
Yeah, like you guys are screaming for no reason, and I saw it too. No!
Oh my god. Well, mine went through the wall.
What?
Hey, more health kits. Rose, I think that's safe to say that you can take this one, because I don't think Coach is gonna pick it up, and if we find another one, then we'll just shield, and we'll just shield Coach, plain and simple. Oh my god! You stole it! You stole that from you! Wow! I guess it was in plain. Stole that shit. Oh my god! Oh. What the fuck?
What?
Damn, we were too late. We better run to the amusement park. What did we miss? A ritual? Like, what the hell?
Coach is patiently waiting down there, waiting for
Yeah,
us.
just patiently watching. Okay. Alright. I mean, he's a black man. He's afraid of heights. I wouldn't blame him.
I'm afraid of heights, and I'm a white woman.
Yeah, I know. You're fearless on all accounts sometimes. I guess we're at the exploring stage, so I guess.
Oh god!
I turned around thinking that you were in trouble. God damn it! Never do that again. Nope. Lord save you, I'll save you. All right. Well, you do. All right.
Isn't Coach Rush saying?
No.
Yeah. No! No!
Delay the inevitable. Just don't accidentally heal her.
No.
No, he took it out.
Oh god.
Oh god. Okay, just keep her occupied, please.
You're at bay.
Come on!
She
Hold
took
her
it
at
out.
bay.
She took
Just hold her at
it out
bay.
again. All right.
Hold her at bay.
Come on, Rosie, hurry up!
Yeah, hurry up, please.
Hold her at bay.
You're so stupid. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so ridiculous. It's fucking retarded. Oh my god.
Rosie, come back, see you.
Hurry up, please. She's getting a snack. What is she? Is she getting a snack too? Like Jesus Christ.
There
Thank God. Thank God. Good lord.
Not
One
nearly about
sec.
to.
Can you read the map? Because I can't. It's like covered in blood.
Oh, fuck.
What? Wait, what?
Forget the-
Wait, what?
We can't. I
I think
can't.
there's like another map somewhere.
Oh my god!
Oh shit!
Where are they coming from? What?
They're coming from
Sky.
above.
They're actually falling from the sky. What?
Catch, poke it up.
Should I
Coach,
use
pick
it?
up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm just waiting for Coach to come and take it again.
I'm not there.
Oh my god!
What? What?
Oh, a tank died here. What? Wait, they're burning. No. They're doing that to me. No.
Oh!
I'm choking.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Wait, why is Coach in there?
In there? Oh, shit.
I didn't know you could do it. I thought it just was like a death water thing.
Drowning.
Oh god.
Help me. Okay, I'm good.
Okay.
Alright, cool. Well, I didn't know that. Alright, whatever.
Coach is just like, what's up?
Oh god.
What's happening? Significance was.
Oh! Oh shit!
Ah!
No.
Oh! Oh!
Oh shit.
Wait, there's a boomer!
What'd you do?
No!
Oh god.
Oh, my
Oh god. There we go.
Oh,
There we go.
Oh, what the heck? Coach went flying! Yeah, I think this was made to be played on Expert.
Wait, into a key. He's heal coach. You don't need to.
What the hell?
Rose is
What the hell?
healing him right now. Rose is healing him right now. That's no, stop. Rose is healing.
Oh, okay.
Some girls?
Yeah, like
Do they names?
no.
Oh, they kind of tall?
Yeah.
Coach,
Oh, I think they were.
Coach, come on! Do I have to push you over
I don't
here?
want to kills at him because he'll start.
They probably said
Push you over
to
there,
see if I was
come on.
gonna go to you.
Push you, push.
Why don't they just
Push
text
you.
you?
God, get Coach!
I don't have their number. I don't like. I'm not like super.
Come
close
on,
with them,
Coach.
but
Push
one
you
of
over
them
there.
moved,
I
to
must.
Toronto,
Come on!
So
Push. He's stuck now. There we go. Come on, Coach. Get up. Get up. Yep.
Yes!
Yeah.
Take the health kit.
Right, take that. Come on,
Already,
take
what
it.
I missed? Charger!
Coach, for the love of God and everything that is holy, take the health kit, please.
Coach, come take it. Okay.
Come on, Coach, come on, Coach.
Come on, Coach.
We know you're smart.
Just gotta walk over.
See, this is what needs extra. Ah, there we go. Salvation. Oh, God! Jesus Christ.
Hey.
Ah, alright, alright.
I'm not sure I can. Oh shoot.
And
What'd you find?
There are pills right there. There's pills right there. I'm trying to get them.
God! Okay. That's not a good spot to do it.
I know.
There's gotta be something. Now we missed. I need some help!
Where are you?
Help! Playing fucking ring around the rosy with this hunter. That's what I'm doing. I don't want to get charged when that thing is.
Come on, Mr. Coach.
Alright.
Deadpool? Oh my god! I missed that. I think it phased out, and then I look, and then there's this big monster right in my face.
Hi there.
Whoa! Wait, hold still, Key, hold still. Whoa! Like I have a mod, and it's just doing strange things right now.
Is it really?
It's like changing colors, like a rave.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! There's like shit going on with it. Look at the doorknobs. Hacks. Coach, use the ladder properly.
Yeah, please don't jump off like you did last time.
Coach. Good. Oh, you can't.
Oh! God!
God damn it, man! Like,
Horde! Oh God!
oh God! God bless Coach, dude.
Everybody grab a weapon.
Yes.
Oh shit.
Bless your soul! Ah!
Coach is gonna die. Okay, so
Oh shit.
Rose,
shit.
no!
what?
Not use your-
What? What happened? Oh, she used the health kit.
No, use the pills. Good. There you go. Let's go. Why they open outward? God damn it. Hey, elevator. Interesting. Oh, wait, no, it's good. They're trapped.
Oh my God!
It's all good. They can't attack us.
Oh!
Hey, we're safe. Holy crap! I forgot about that part. I apologize.
Oh my God!
No one.
When I saw that, I was like, oh shit, we're dead. We're done.
No
Oh!
warning. Oh my God.
Like I literally felt my heart clench.
Oh shh. Oh. Really seen it.
That's a ghost.
Oh shit, that is a ghost.
You spooky.
Noticed that. I just noticed that. Yeah, I just noticed the ghost right in front of me. I do not want to open that. Fuck it. Oh, I guess it's not friendly. Maybe it's friendly.
Oh,
Rose, get away from it! You're getting hurt from that thing. Rose got destroyed. What the crap? reopen that again? No, I don't want to. I guess Rose was like a blood sacrifice, and then what is this room? I do not want to go in that room.
Are you scared now, Deadpool?
Exactly.
Wait, there's something in there. There's a key in there.
I'll get in there. Okay, so
A military tribute.
what in God's name? Like what? Like this can't
There's a
get
cow.
this- I'm sorry. What? You lost me, game. You lost me.
Okay, I have questions.
Oh, safe house. All right.
Wait, what?
What?
Oh,
I have-
hell yeah.
I'm fine with that. Really? Like, I honestly do. Like, what? I was there for you. You lost me with the UFO.
And then the cow.
Yeah, like, what? Yeah, I know, that's very stereotypical. Alright, the game lost me there. I don't know.
God.
Alright, I swear to God, you're gonna be armed to the teeth when the credits show up. We should have fun at the end.
I'm still loading
No.
in, by the way.
No.
Oh no, my game crashed.
Oh no, it kicked me out.
No. The game crashed. Oh, no, I'm not.
Son of a bitch.
Oh, no.
My moment reaction to that part was, okay, everyone set the alert to code brown because I need to go change my pants.
We're fucked. Yeah, it's just like code. We're fucked. It's over. It's like it's over. Just shoot yourself. It's over. Just 2 tanks. Hell no. No items and no Molotov. It's over. Just shoot yourself.
But then again,